How to change address on the shop app. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video I'll show you how you can change address on the shop app, and here is how to go about it. All right, the first step is to open up the shop application on your device. After opening up the shop application, you'll be brought to the home page automatically. On this page, you can see items, products that you can get on the shop app. And then once you can see this, move to the lowest part of the screen where you can see some icons, which includes your icons such as home, notifications, your cart icon, your orders icon, and then your profile icon. Once you can see this, just go ahead and click on it. After clicking on your profile icon, you will be brought to the profiles page. Yeah, you brought to your profile page actually, yes. So once you're on this page, the next thing to do is to go to the top right corner and click on the three horizontal lines that you can see there. After clicking on that, in the options displayed, ensure you click on settings. So after clicking on settings, you'll be brought to the settings page. On this page, you can see options like payment method, shipping address, notifications, passkeys, data and privacy, app settings. So just go ahead and click on shipping addresses. So here you'll see all of your shipping addresses, the ones that you've added already. And so to change it, all you need to do is to tap on the address that you'd like to change. After tapping on the address that you'd like to change, you'll be taken to the edit page. So on this page, you can edit the fields that are needed. It could be the street address, the city, the state, or your postal code. And then once you're done editing it, just tap on save address, and then your address would be updated and changed just like that. And then to add the new address, you can just click on add address at the lowest part of the screen here, and then you'll be taken to the next page where you enter in your first name, your last name, your country or region, and then click on save address. So this is how you can change your address on the shop app. Thanks for watching and have a good day.